Shibnobi is going to kill 7 zeros. All right. I have no doubt about that in my mind. A lot of people have been asking me why I think so and why that it doesn't make sense that Shibnobi would, kill 7 zeros because of market cap and things like that. Yeah, well, that's true to a certain degree, but when it comes to one thing I have learned when it comes to, you know, meme coin investing is that market cap and all these other things are irrelevant. uh, you can just burn half the coins and the price will just shoot up, right? It's all about the availability of the number of coins that are available. If you just remove that supply, then it's going to, reduce the. It's gonna like inherently eat the zeros up if you just remove the amount of coins that are available. Just send them to the burn wallet essentially, and that's just going to take away the the circulating supply of the coins, and it's just going to increase the price and eat up the zeros. You don't even need a high market cap for that. So in this video, I want to cover first thing I want to calculate the Shibnobi market cap. Second thing I want to do is check the support levels. I'm going to go through DEX tools and check draw the graph and things like that. Third thing I want to do is address the Federal Reserve's plans. And the last thing that we're going to do is that go through some risks involved with Shibnobi, because not everything is a bed of roses, right? This may be your ticket to riches beyond your wildest dreams, but it's not going to be a smooth road. It's going to be a bumpy road. All right. So let's get into my screen. And first thing we're going to do here is that we are going to calculate the Shibnobi's market cap. Let's go to the website first and get the circulating supply. All right. This is the circulating supply. So you just take this and you punch this inside here. And where do we get the price of the coin from? I will get it from here. Can I copy this? Yes, I can. I can just click here and copy. All right. So just gonna get this, punch it in here. Damn. Okay. Let's check out the price. The market cap. So it's $869 billion. Now, I made a video a few days back, all right, when the market cap of Shibnobi was at 500 billion. 3 days back, actually. And I said that it's going to go to 1 billion within this quarter. And it did. Right now, it's at 800 and something million dollars. But I think sometime yesterday, it was at a 1 billion or closing very near to very close to $1 billion in market cap, 900 million plus. So my prediction did come true to a certain degree. All right. And now let's move on to the second point of today's video, and which is this DEX tools. So over here, I have drawn a Fibonacci retracement level. And here, as you can see here, we have the next support level here. All right. So if the price tends to go down, it can go down to here. But I wouldn't consider this a good buying opportunity, a good buying point. I would if I have not bought yet, or if I want to lower my cost basis significantly, I'd wait till here, because over here we have a very strong support level here. All right. So maybe this would be a better buying opportunity. And I think that, if the bearish sentiments continue, then we will drop till here. If not, we'll just drop till here or somewhere around here. Okay. But in the short term, definitely we'll get to here, maybe by tonight or tomorrow. That is if Bitcoin doesn't turn around. Now, what's the third point? Okay. The third point is, I was talking about the bearish sentiments, right? So why are we having bearish sentiments right now in the market? That's because the market did not like what the Fed had to say in their in the recent meeting. What did the Fed say? The Fed, I found this information on coindesk.com. On Wednesday, the Fed, through the Federal Open Market Committee set the stage for a more aggressive withdrawal of liquidity to tame high inflation. They are thinking about removing liquidity from the market so that inflation, goes down a little bit. The Fed fund futures have now priced in 5 rate hikes. Initially, it was 4. Actually, no. Initially, it was 3. The banks were predicting 4, and right now it's even more than 4. It's 5. That's what they're pricing in right now. 5 rate hikes of 0.25% each for 2022, up from 4. There you go, up from 4 ahead of Wednesday's FOMC meeting. So the market doesn't like this kind of news because whenever the interest rates go up, the market usually goes down. People don't like investing in the market when the interest rates are high. However, take note that this is all to fight inflation. There's an other side of this argument that if the other side of the argument is basically that if Bitcoin, the reason why Bitcoin was even created in the first place was so that we could have an asset that could act as a hedge against things like inflation, right? And right now we are having inflation. So ideally, Bitcoin should be going up now. But then it went up so high in 2020, in 2021, that right now there's only one place to go, and that's down. And any negative news like this, like the Fed's increasing the interest rates, will send the price down. Right now, Bitcoin is trading at about 35 to 40,000. At the time of the release of this news, it was at about 37K. Okay? So that's the negative news. That's the reason why Bitcoin tanked. Not really tanked, it's still up by 3%. For the last 7 days, it's up by 7%, but that upward momentum sort of like slowed down after this announcement, and the stock market really plunged after this announcement, except yesterday. Yesterday, Apple reported, I think, one of the best earnings ever. They beat earnings expectations for the top line by $5 billion. $5 billion. Who beats earning expectations by $5 billion? That's Apple for you. So, and the market cap of Apple is like what, $2.7 trillion, and yesterday it rallied by over 6%. Can you imagine something that has a market cap of over 2 trillion, nearing $3 trillion, rallying up to 6% in one day? That's crazy. And market moves the entire market. And Apple moves the entire market, right? Because it has such a huge market cap. So with Apple going up, everything else did go up a little bit. It was not just Apple, even Microsoft beat earnings expectations and it was up significantly. And both these companies moved the markets because they have a combined market cap of more than 2 times that of the entire crypto market. These are huge companies. So that's the reason why the stock market was up a little bit. And of course, when stock market goes up, crypto market also tends to follow. And this was up as well, the crypto market. However, this upward momentum from a few days back slowed down due to the Fed's meeting. Now, let's go to the fourth point of this video, and that is the risks involved with Shibnobi, right? So, when it comes to Shibnobi, right, of course, there are some risks involved as well. Now, if you look at, where is that? Here you go. Coin market cap still does not have Shibnobi's market cap. It did a few days back, but then it disappeared again. So, I'm not sure whether any other exchange can support this many decimals on the exchange. You get what I mean? I'm not sure whether big exchanges would like Binance or Crypto.com or Coinbase. I'm not sure if they would be willing to accommodate a coin that has this many zeros and such a huge circulating supply. So that's one risk that I see here. Now this would depend on how Cliff talks to them, gets the deal done. Who knows? Maybe he has the skills, maybe he doesn't. He's a professional with over 20 over years of experience in the conveyor belt space. I mean, it's not related to this, but still, he's a professional. So who knows? Maybe he can get it done, but I don't know. That's one of the risks that I see for this coin. All right. Let me know what you think are some of the risks involved with Shibnobi. Do you think that this, huge circulating supply could be one of the risks, or the number of decimals involved, or the number of decimals present in the price could be one of the risks of that would prevent Shibnobi from getting onto a major exchange like Binance or Coinbase, right? So let me know what you think. Let me know if you can think of any other risks involved, because I want to hear from you guys about the risks involved, because not everything, is as smooth sailing as it may seem. For the past few days, Shibnobi was one of the very few coins that, kept rallying, while coins like Saitama kept falling. There were also whales from Saitama selling huge amounts of Saitama and getting into Shibnobi. So let me know what can you think of. There definitely should be more risks than the one that I just mentioned. And let me know if you think, that makes sense what I just said, or if it doesn't make sense, let me know your thoughts. All right. Like, subscribe, and you can check out my Twitter. I'm going to post the link down below, and also my IG. All right. You can follow me there and we can be friends. All right. So thanks for watching and have a great day.